Aloha and welcome to 3DHawaiiRealEstate.com. Today we're going to show you how to install the 3D Showcase app so you can use it in your listing presentations. It's very simple and it works the same way on your iPhone or your iPad. Here's how you start. You put your finger about 1 inch from the top of your iPhone and swipe it down. You're going to get to this window. I already have the App Store because I just opened it up. All you have to do is type APP in that line and it's going to open up. You can see the App Store down there in the bottom left. Push your finger on it. Alright? And you're going to want to type in Matterport 3D Showcase. Or what I did, I just did 3D space Showcase. And that's the one right at the top, Matterport 3D Showcase. You push your finger on that and it's going to go look for the app. There it is, Matterport 3D Showcase Lifestyle. It's going to say Get instead of Open because I've already downloaded this app on my phone. You hit the Get, it's going to download the app. Then when you have it, you're going to hit Open and it's going to show you some 3Ds. So these are featured 3Ds. You're going to want to tap on one of these and then you're going to want to download it. So tap on one of the models and it's going to take a second to load. And you see that little cloud arrow up there at the top with the down arrow? You want to hit that to download it. And it's going to download that to your phone so you don't have to download it again. So pick the one you like and download it. You can see it takes a little while because it's a lot of data to download. But while it's downloading, we're going to take a look around this property. So you can move it with your finger. Just tap on your screen and move it around. You just tap to go forward. Walk through the property. Now you can see what they marked with these matter tags. These little blue dots are called matter tags. You can put your finger on them and it's going to show you. We can add video. We can add audio files. We can add anything that you want to these blue dots. Alright? The coolest thing about this is you hit that little square in the bottom right next to the arrow and it puts it in dollhouse mode. So here's the property in dollhouse. So when you show your client that you're going to be doing this technology to market their house, they're going to sign your listing contract right there. Alright, hit the floor plan button. There you go. Alright, what's the living room look like? Tap your finger on the living room and there you're in the living room. So there it is. That's how easy it is to use. Now, if you want to use the VR, you hit the little goggles. It looks like little goggles on the bottom right. And you can do VR with your virtual goggles. It's really that simple. Right here, if you want to share it, you can share it on Facebook, tweet it, or email this link to anybody you want. It's that simple. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm very accessible. You can reach me at my Google number, 440-544-6284. Alright, hope you had a great day. Aloha.